The summer. Yeah?
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, May 28. No, 29. Yeah, today's May 29. We're at UH West Oahu because Logan felt car sick on the bus, so I figured we'd get off the bus in case he had to throw up. And there's the the Waianae Mountain Range.
I see a mountain that right there. It looks like a block of cheese.
Yeah, there's the Waianae Mountain Range. And then the school is over there. UH West Oahu.
Guys, look right there.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's a plane flying in. That moving object right there, that's a plane. Oh, you guys are super zoomed in. Oh.
It's not a UFO.
Yeah, so we're just chilling until the next bus comes at 8:04. And it's bright and sunny.
Yeah, it's super sunny. I'm going to get blind.
And then
the farm
Loom Farms is over there with the rail going right through it.
That's nasty.
Yeah, and then there's the clouds. You can see the clouds.
I'm crops of food.
Yeah. So we'll check in with you guys.
Like
later?
After the movie.
Yeah. So we see you guys later.
Yeah. Dr. Marco. Hi.
So we're walking to the movie theater. It's across the street.
Down there?
Down there. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but it's over there. Why are you just smiling?
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, the car letting us go. Come on. Thank you.
I have a YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
Logan.
Logan what?
It starts with an S.
Say it. Skywalker.
Yeah.
Logan Skywalker. I'll link it down below. And over there is a Honolulu Star advertiser. That's where they do the newspaper, right? Okay, so see you later.
See you later.
So, this little fellow over here got a globe. He's been asking for one and he finally found one at Target. Over here. We're at Target.
And I got Pokemon cards.
Yeah, here's the Pokemon cards that Logan got. He paid with his own money.
Yeah. I only have $11 now.
You save up your money again, right?
Yeah. The air goes this way, guys.
We are right here in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. We're the capital of Oahu. It's Honolulu.
Tell in the comments where you live in the United States.
In the world.
Yeah.
And then if we want to go to the mainland, we have to fly. Yeah.
Yeah. If we want to go to New York area, it will take like 11 hours.
Yeah. We see you guys later.
Yeah.
Whether or not he's a good.
I'm recording.
There's actual money in there.
See, but I think that's why doing this.
It probably sucks in water at the top and goes up, yeah? Look at the colors, Mommy, right there. Be careful the camera don't get wet.
I'm trying to like go down and look. Don't touch it also, touch the camera, hold it good.
I hold it like this.
Okay. So don't get any closer, that is good. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, June 1st. It's currently 5:58 in the morning. I was supposed to get up in 2 minutes, 6 o'clock, but couldn't sleep. Why I'm up so early is because Logan and I are gonna meet his friend from school, his old school, because the friend's mom wanted to take both of the boys to the zoo. So we're going to go to the zoo. I don't know how much I'm gonna try and vlog, but I don't know how much I'm gonna get in, because I don't know if they realize that I do vlogs. I don't know, but I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. I'm not feeling very well. It's not only the time of the month, but my throat hurts. I feel nauseous. And I wanted to go to urgent care maybe after or something. I don't know. We see. So if I sound not so good, it's because my throat hurts off that. So anyway, I just wanted to update you guys on that. And my hair is kind of like doing its own thing. I guess that's what happens when you get a pixie cut. It's not doing what I wanted to do. I don't have styling products or anything like that, so but I like this haircut, so I want to keep it up. Change the subject. So yeah, Logan and I are gonna go to the zoo today. Logan's friend's mom wanted to take both the boys to the beach to have lunch afterwards, but Logan is not really a beachy person. He used to like to go to play on the sand and on the shoreline, but he doesn't know how to swim, and I'm not a very good swimmer either, so not a very good combination. But he doesn't really want to go, and I was thinking if we do go, maybe he can just sit on the sand or something, you know. Plus it's been rainy too lately, since like last week or so, so I don't know how the weather's gonna be like in Waikiki. So anyway, I'll shut it here for now, and I'll see you guys later. And there goes my watch, my 6. So yeah, I'll try to vlog today, see what I can get, and I'll see you guys later. Have a great day until then.
Mommy, let me push the wagon.
Mom, let her push the wagon.
Oh shit, I left the wagon. I thought I left the
Lala, what is I wonder if it's
They got some massive chinfuls, huh? You see the babies?
Yeah.
That's two babies. Look, they're talking back to you guys.
There's our part.
Aw, look at Logan and Lowen. So cute. Hey, baby.
We have the same name, but we the end.
Yeah. Hi.
He's gonna break it.